Hello everyone, it's Susan from Susan Hiles Art. I wanted to pop on today and we are going to work on the hashtag Cornucopia of Recipes open collaboration and giveaway. We're going to work on that today. I will put the announcement video below that has all the information about the giveaway, and even if you want to participate in this collaboration. And I'll have all the information in the description box anyway. So I just got my hair cut. This was the first time in 2 years and 7 months that I have gone to professionally get my hair cut. First time. I've been cutting it all this time. I used to be a hairdresser way back in the day. But yeah, so I got it done. So I wanted to show everybody. But anyway, so that's the scoop on my hair. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put the camera downwards, and we're going to begin on, I'm working on this month for this collaboration. It's a trifold pamphlet journal that I'm going to be documenting about Thanksgiving in, and it's going to tuck into my December daily. Here goes. So what I decided to use for my trifold journal is just a piece of packaging. So it's actually the same thing as this, except that I did cut, I don't know, a couple inches off of it, so it wasn't as long. But it is very thick. It might look like it's just like printer paper or something, but it's not. It's definitely heavy packaging for sure. And you know, and I should have scored it before I went to fold it, but that's okay because I am going to cover this up. And I probably should have even put down, oops, I hit this jar of water that's here with my ruler. That's what that noise was. I probably should have even put this down before folding it. So what I want to do, so that I have a nice base to work on, and I hope I don't regret this because I don't know, but it's making sense to me at this moment to go ahead and glue that down so that these 3 pages, right, because they're all individual pages, that they have a background to start with. Now, if I decide to cover the background with something, then that's fine. But at least to start, excuse me, at least to start, I would just want to get something pretty down. And I like this paper because, well, it's very neutral, even though that there is a print on it. It is very neutral. And I just think it will be good to, you know, to add things onto. So that worked out pretty well, surprisingly. So let me go ahead, whoops, I have to grab my trimmer here. And let's go ahead and cut off this excess. And we're going to fold it. Okay, I did take out my bone folder now. I didn't have it out before. Let me go ahead and use this. And let's get this folded. Now, I will end up putting something on the back here too, but I'm not going to do that today. So for today, oh, it's a little buckled right there. Well, I'm going to roll with it. For today, I'm probably just going to work on this page and this page. And I know that this is smaller than this. And that's okay because by the time I get a background on here, whether it's the same or something different, you'll be able to see it. And that's fine. I'm not going to like freak out over that this is not the same width as underneath. But let me measure this. It is 3 3/4 inches by 6 1/4. So that's how big this is. And like I said, as it's folded like this, it's going to be able to slide into a side pocket in my December daily. All right, so let's go ahead and let me explain what I'm doing. So for Thanksgiving, I have been ordering the dinner from one of our local grocery stores. And the grocery store that we like is called Wegmans. And so I already placed the order. I placed the order almost a week ago. And so I always like to document what I ordered and how much it was and the whole thing. So what I did was I went and I got these, I took screenshots, like I went back onto Wegmans and I took screenshots of, like, this is the turkey that we're getting, the sliced turkey with all the sides and everything. The only extra thing I had to order was rolls, and I have to get dessert or make dessert, or my daughter can, or something like that. So keeping it simple. But you know, this explains here everything that comes in it, and it's $185. But you know what? You're going to spend that, or at least I did. Like last year, I tried to make Thanksgiving dinner, and it was not that successful. So we're back to ordering from Wegmans. I do want to show you that I did pull out a bunch of the Happy Planner sticker books. And so I will be using this sticker book to add, well, stickers to my pages. I have a few. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 different sticker books out. And you know what? I need my little tweezers. Okay, so I thought that this, which of course says give thanks, you know, with the tweezers, I don't think are going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and put that as straight as I can here. Okay. Now you can see the lines through it, and you know, I'm not concerned. And then I'm going to put this picture on there. So it shows the turkey and the sides, and it lists the sides, and it's just, you know, just to, you know, have something on the cover. So this is basically the cover. Now I can add November on here, and I might do that. But what I want to do as well is pull in some, I mean, like, look at this, like with the little turkey and everything, like super cute, right? Where's the leaves? Okay, so I wanted to pull in some leaves. So I have some leaves with gold on it, and then there is, whoops, a page of leaves without gold, but I think I'll go with the gold. Okay, so I know I'm going to put this here, but I think what I want to do is to put some of the leaves probably coming out from underneath it. So I don't want anything too big. So maybe something like this. And I can always add more, right? But to start with, I think I'm just going to put a leaf there. And you know what? Let's do this leaf on the other side. So they're different. This one is like all gold, super pretty. And we'll put this one over here. All right, so with those down, I'm just gonna put this, and this is just on printer paper. So what I did was I went to the Wegmans website and I like took a print screen, right, a picture of a few different things. And then from those pictures, I used, let me get this on here. I used actually an app called Print to Size, and I was able to print them out in the size that I thought I would need. So like I made sure that none of them were bigger than this little journal. So I think that that looks cute. So let me see if I can find that November again. And let's see. I might as well. I mean, I think I can put November across the top right there. And this particular sticker is clear, so I'm definitely going to see what's underneath it. But again, you know, roll with the flow. Roll with the flow. So November. So I think that looks cute, but maybe I need just a little bit. Let's see if there's some small leaves that I can put a leaf down here and a leaf down here. At least one each, maybe two. So let's go with this one, and we're gonna, I think I'll put this with it. So I'll put this here and this here. That looks cute. Do I need anything on that side? Yeah, maybe just one leaf can go on that side, something a little bit bigger. And then there's little acorns. So let's grab a couple acorns. And let's see. Nope, I don't like that. Oh, maybe I can't get the acorns on here. That's okay. I'll get them on another page. You know what? I'm not going to force it. Let me just put that back in the book. All right. So that is our cover, or my cover for my journal for to document Thanksgiving. So now, what I want to do is at least leave these 3 pages right here for actual Thanksgiving Day, because I like to take a picture of the table, and then of course one of my family. But let's see what I can put on here. So I do have this. I don't know that I have to include that. I don't know that I have to, but I definitely want to include these. Well, but see, I don't know that I don't know that I need to have this, because this lists all of the sides, and I have the sides over here as well. So maybe I can leave that out. And this has the price. So if I did that with that, again, super easy, right? Super easy. I think that's what I'll do. And then I'm going to put some stickers on the top. So these stickers are going to come in handy big time for this project, because I think that they, you know, add such fun in an easy way. All right, and I do have the word Wegmans on here. It is on what I'm putting the adhesive on right now. It says down here, Wegmans. So I know where I got it from. So let me, well, I guess I can put it like right there. Trying to get it even, so I'm trying not to rush too much. Now I do have to cut off a little bit on the bottom here. have these. Or maybe a pumpkin. That would be nice. Let's do a pumpkin, but it has to go in a spot that I'm not going to cover up these words. So let's see if it can kind of go right there. Oh, that's perfect. Like, and look at how cute that is. And, oh, there's Thanksgiving party. I have to remember that that one is there. I can put that on actual Thanksgiving Day. What else can I grab from here? Let's grab a few more things. There's a leaf down here that I think will look pretty on here. We can put that there. And we can put some greenery up the side over here. Oops. Sometimes these stickers are a little hard to peel off. So sometimes it takes a minute. This can go over here. Right, isn't that cute? I really like that. So, you know, that's all I need. That is all I need. All right, so then over here, maybe I'll put a picture of the table all set. So that will probably go there. And then we'll work on the back. All right, so that is it for today. And again, you know, please check out Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming, who is hosting this collaboration with me, and everybody's that is participating and making videos. Their links are below in my description box, as well as all of the rules for the giveaway and the announcement video where I talk about it. So that's it. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a wonderfully blessed rest of your week. Alrighty, bye-bye everyone.